Hey guys, Cam here, and as well as launching new iPhones, which you can check out in our hands-on video from yesterday, Apple unveiled a brand new Apple Watch. It's safe to say this is the most significant change in Apple Watch since the first generation. The screen on the front is much bigger on both the 40mm and 44mm options, and the underside, complete with ECG capabilities and an advanced heart rate sensor, is now ceramic and glass to make it more radio transparent. The speaker on the side is louder, and the mic's been moved over to the other side to make hands-free calls clearer. Now inside the more rounded, slimmer casing is a new S4 chip that has enabled it to process more data, including being able to tell you if you've had a fall, and make an emergency call if you haven't moved within a minute of falling. It also has these new data-rich watch faces with more complications and some awesome full-screen animation wallpapers that take advantage of the more expansive screen that's closer to being edge-to-edge. As you'd expect, the watches are all still waterproof, so you can wear them in the rain or during your swimming sessions, and they'll be available in many different colour options and finishes, including the stainless steel models, the Nike Plus models, and the Hermes editions. Now you still get the same all-day battery, with prices starting at £399 for the GPS-only model, or £499 for the cellular model. You can pre-order it from the 14th of September, or go into the stores and buy it from the 21st. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.